Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 4 English version math exercise 7.4 multiples and factors. This is math number 11. There are 45 apples and 18 oranges to Russell. Russell wants to distribute apples and oranges equally to maximum number of children without any remaining. Find the number of children and how many apples and oranges do each children gets. First thing we have to find the number of children, and then we have to find the number of apples and orange. 45 and 18. 45 apples and 18 orange. 45 apples, 18 orange. Now, if we want to distribute these apples and orange amongst two kids or two persons, then can we divide it? We cannot, because when we divide 45 by 2, there will be a remainder. It's not evenly divided. So 2 doesn't divide 45, so we cannot divide 2. So 2 doesn't divide. We will take the numbers that divides these, both 45 and 18. 3 divides 45, 3 divides 18. So we can divide the fruits amongst 3 kids or 3 persons. 4, no, we cannot divide amongst 4. We can divide 5, no, we cannot divide 5 also, because 18, 5 doesn't divide 18. 6, no. So this way we can check which numbers divides 45 and 18. But what is this method? The numbers that divides 45 and 18 are what? Are actually factors of 45 and 18. So we have to find the factors. Factors of 45 and factors of 18. So factors of 45, 1 is a factor because 1 divides 45, 2 is not, 3 is a factor, 4 is not, 5 is a factor, 6 is not, 7 is not, 8 not, 9 is a factor, then 15 is a factor, and 45 is a factor. Factors of 18, 1, yes, 2, yes, 2 divides 18 without any remainder, 3, yes, 4 not, 5 not, 6 yes, 7 not, 8 not, 9 yes, 10, 11, 12 not, and then again 18. So we found few numbers that divides both, and those are known as common factors. 1 is common, then 3 is common, then 9 is common, 15 is not, 45 not, 18 not. So there are 3 factors. Those are common factors. So common factors are 1, 3 and 9. You see in the question they said Russell has to give the fruits to maximum number of children. Maximum number of children. Here is the word maximum number of children. So if we have to give to maximum number of children, which number we will choose? 1, 3 or 9? Definitely we will choose 9. And what we call the highest common factor? We call HCF. So HCF is 9. So we got already the answer. Maximum 9 children can get the fruits. Then how many apples and how many oranges they should get? Total apple is 45, so each child should get 45 divided by 9 equals to 5 apples. 5 apples. Each child should get 18 divided by 9 equals to 2 orange. I hope I answered all. So thank you very much. Please, if you have a question, write it in the comment box. Thank you.